Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening wherever you're watching me from. Today we are going to make akara. This akara is gonna be something different from what other people are doing. This is not the way my mother used to do it when I was growing up. My mother was a professional during their own days, so they do it in a simple way, which is salt and pepper and the beans. But today we are going to use salt, pepper and beans and onions. Yeah. So today we are going to use the green beans, half of it. I cut it into two. And we're going to use the same, the green pepper, the red pepper, some carrots. I have already cubes, but I will cube it small. I will blend half with the beans and cube half with a knife. Okay, we are going to use spring onions. We are going to use Cornish bonnet pepper too. We are going to use a very big onions. Then of course the washed clean beans, and we are using salt and vegetable oil. Okay, so in here I have another appliance, and this is a frying pan, non-stick frying pan. This is what I'm gonna use. I'm going to use my blender to blend and my mixer to mix it, okay, to be fluffy. Oh, and like this, like, I don't know, slice of. Okay, this is the texture of, you can see some carrots in it. This is exactly what I'm looking for. When I was blending it, I didn't blend with too much water. I blend with a little bit of water, and this is the veggies. Pour them inside. Okay, this is akara. Who tell you you can make it different? We can make it so. We can make it. Then you mix it, fold it together, and while you're doing it, your oil is getting heating. Okay, so you can put salt to taste. Okay, that's the only spice this akara needed. Okay guys. Okay, pardon me guys, because of the noise, I am cooking another thing. This is my plain frying pan. I'm adding the oil to heat. Okay, so we continue our recipe. The noise is okay guys. I am waiting for my oil to be ready while I drop a little bit of the mixture in the oil to see how it's going to see if the oil is ready, but it's not ready. We'll wait for some minutes. So guys, my oil is getting ready. I get something like this spoon. As you can see, I will scoop it in my oil like that. Okay. Okay. Your spatula to bring it out of the oil. My akara is ready now. I have to remove it from. Thank you guys very much for passing by my channel. Today we enjoy different way we are making this akara guys. Thank you so much. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave the notification bell on, okay, so that anytime I upload a new video you get to be notified guys. Thank you very much for passing by. Bye bye, see you later.